Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be doing a little something for you today. Right, so I got these from Poundland. You get 2 in a pack in each. Yeah, so I think they've got some, is it grey ones? And I think they've got white ones as well, but I've got these gold ones. So what I'm gonna be doing is I've got some super glue here. I just picked it up from a corner shop. I think it was like £1 or something. So yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna just unwrap these and then show you. Right, so I've unwrapped them. So you got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So the first thing to do is to undo them. And what you want to be doing is you want to be taking this bit off and taking the paper out, and then just be putting, the metal bits back down and keep the glass in. So there's one. So yeah, it's gonna be more like, do you know one of them candle things where you put like the candle in the middle and it makes it look posh and that. So yeah, I'll be back in a sec when I've done all of them. I've done all of them. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So what I'm going to be doing is having them, together like so. Let me just get the camera. Yeah, sorry about the state of me, but yeah, my hair's a bit, yeah. Right, so they're going to be like that, and then like, like that. So it's going to be like sort of like a cube type of thing. So yeah, I'll get the glue out and get cracking on with this. I also got one of these candles. It's like gold and then like, like a dark bluey purpley colour at the top. But I wanted it to be more like black and gold, but it looks dark enough. So it'll go with the colour scheme that I've got going on at the minute, as I've been wanting to do like my living room in black and gold and that anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna carry on and crack on. So yeah, get the super glue out and poke it. Right, there we go. Put it back on. I think super glue is a bit of a pain. It's that sticky. Right, so yeah. Yeah. So I'm gonna so the glue, and I can get this right. So let's get the camera and put getting the glue on. So gently So gently get your glue. Not exactly gently when I'm doing it this way, but just put little blotches on it all the way along. Right, back in the sack. So where's the first one on? Just need to wait for that bit to dry, and then then get this one on this side, like so, and then be one on top. So I'll show you when I've finished it. Right, so I finished it. So yeah, so if you like this video, can you give me a thumbs up? Can you turn on notifications? Subscribe to my channel if you're not already subscribed, and leave a comment below. Let me know what you think, and let me know if there's anything you would like me to try doing, or if you have any ideas. So yeah, so I shall see you all next time. So bye for now.